There are many foreign currency automated trading systems made available in the market today. With their presence, foreign exchange traders are provided with a more convenient way of doing their day-to-day trading activities. However, a forex trader should always keep in mind that not all automated trading systems are reliable. In fact, some simply do not work, and are a complete waste of some people's time and money. Because of that, it is advisable for a trader to consider a number of factors first, so that he will be able to get his hand on a top forex system that will suit him best. One of the most important things that you need to consider in purchasing your own foreign currency system is its maker. There are a lot of forex systems available today, which have been made by people who do not even have any considerable amount of experience in trading foreign currencies. If you purchase a software program from such people, you will have no assurance that they will work. Therefore, it is best that you check out the software program's author first. You can actually access different web pages today, which can provide you the information that you need, as far as these authors are concerned. All you got to do is to access review sites about them. Once you do that, you will be able to see which of the automated systems were made by reputable makers of such programs. On top of that, you will also be able to gather a lot of information about such automated systems, which will provide you the guidance in choosing the ones that you want to buy. Many of these foreign exchange systems are actually available through the internet these days. With that, you can purchase them from the comforts of your own home, with just a number of clicks from your mouse. With a good number of choices you have, it is best to put your attention to those that offer money-back guarantees for certain periods of time. Choose those that will provide you enough time to test out the system. On top of that, it is also best to put more weight on those that provide free demonstrations, so that you would already have a good idea how they work, before you even make the payment. These forex automated systems also vary in price, which makes budget another factor that you need to consider. It is best to see if it is really worth for you to spend a certain amount of money for the software program that you are looking at. Aside from that, you should also have a certain budget that you need to stick on to avoid overspending. These are the factors that you need to consider. Take your time to finalize your decision, so that you will be able to find the top forex system that you are looking for. For more exciting videos, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching You Trade Forex channel.